Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for coding, even if you've never written a line of code before. It's super beginner friendly and yeah, really handy. First, sign in to your Claude AI account. Once you're in, click New Chat to start your coding project. This is where you'll type your coding questions or prompts. Next, type a clear coding request. For example, write a Python script that sorts a list of numbers or create a simple HTML page with a header and button. The more specific you are, the better the output. Claude AI will generate the code for you instantly. Copy it into your code editor or IDE like VS Code and run it. Check if it works as expected and make small tweaks if needed. If you're a beginner, you can also ask Claude AI to explain the code. For instance, explain this Python script line by line. This helps you understand and learn faster. Finally, once you're comfortable, ask Claude AI to expand your code or add features. You can automate repetitive tasks, generate functions, or even debug your scripts. And that's it. Using Claude AI for coding is really that simple. Just ask, review, learn, and expand. Give it a try and see how fast you can create code without starting from scratch.